What's going on, guys? All right, today we've got a special one. Got in the Xbox Series X today. Had it on pre-order. One of the lucky ones to actually get in there and get it. Got mine through Walmart. The backstory on it real quick. Of course, I got on to try to get it on Microsoft, GameStop, Target. All those systems crashed. I decided, what the heck, let's go through Walmart and see how it does. I figured it would sell out the fastest and walked right through it with no problem and got it. Now, of course, my worry with that is the PS5 did that with Amazon and Walmart, and people started getting emails later that, hey, we overbooked, we're canceling your order. So I've just been waiting for that to happen with mine. It didn't happen, thankfully. It came through. I did say I was going to get a delay in shipping till Thursday. Today is Wednesday. It said it was going to delay till Thursday, and then finally came through and said, nope, you're going to get it Wednesday. So I was excited, which today's Wednesday, and it actually came in last night. But I didn't have time to do the unboxing or video for it last night, so I'm a little behind the game today and trying it out. Really wanted to put it up and try it out, but wanted to save the unboxing for you guys and go ahead and look at it. Of course, Series X. Oh, and of course, side note, a bunch of people on Walmart and stuff did get their Xboxes canceled. Of course, this is the next gen gaming Xbox console. I'm sure by now y'all have all looked it up, looked at everything. Of course, it's the most powerful console there is. And I know PS5 guys are going to talk about the SSD and all that. That's great. But hey, 4K at 120 frames per second. And it could be upscaled to 8K. We'll see in time how that works. I'm not even worried about 8K. We're not even hardly into 4K yet, and we're talking 8K. Of course, it's got the 1 terabyte SSD. It plays your 4K Blu-ray players. You can connect it with your HDMI 2.1 if your TV is compatible. But of course, not a lot of games. Now, of course, we got this here. It's what, November 11th, and all the 4K Game Pass games and stuff, I believe all of the next gen is not even going to start till like December 4th. So we're a little ahead of the game, but hey, I'd rather be ahead of the curve than behind the curve. Gonna have to get a new TV for it. I went to look at the, quick thing on that, I went to look at the LG Nano compared to the LG OLED and stuff. If you have the extra money, you can save the extra money, get the OLED. It looks so much better than the Nano. Of course, the Nano is a great alternative. Absolutely love the picture on it. The pictures were great on both of them, but side by side, you can blatantly tell how much better the OLED was. But let's not worry about that anymore. Let's talk about the Xbox. Of course, this will come with the console and the remote, which I have another remote on order. I got the Sonic Blue one on order. Let's start. Of course, I gotta be careful with it. I'm one of those, I like to not tear my boxes up and stuff. Whatever's wrong with that. Whoop. And I like how they got the little tabs here, so that you can just pull them off. Now, of course, if y'all want to see the box real quick, of course, just your standard Xbox boxing. Power Your Dreams, Halo Indefinite should be coming out, I think, in December, if I'm not mistaken. And it'll be on Game Pass. So if y'all are looking into Game Pass, I mean, 100 games, they're getting all the EA games and stuff in December as well. So it seems like a very good deal at $15 a month versus $6 per game. You get 100 games for $15 a month. Hard to beat. All right, hold on. We're working on it, y'all. All right. Let's see here. Tape's gonna try to get a hold of it again. Good tape. Woo! Look at that packaging. Power Your Dreams. It's got the nice foam inlay. That's a solid foam. You have gun cases stuff with the foam and stuff in it. It's not even that solid. So they're protecting this thing for you. All right, now you got a little box up here on the top. When you get your box and open it, there's all your stuff. Now, it does come with the HDMI 2.1 cable. I don't believe it says it on here. Let's see, ultra high speed. It doesn't say it on the cable, which I know some people were upset about. But hey, you know, that's what it is. Of course, your power cable. Let's see right here. Oh, that's the remote. Open it up real quick. Ooh. Now, I haven't gamed since the Xbox, whatever the one before the one was. Oh, I like that. So, here's a look at the remote. Now, holding it, it's a little smaller than the one I'm used to. The original one I used was huge, so And I know some of my PS5 bros didn't like how big the Xbox controller was, but I have big hands, so it was nice. This one's smaller, but it still fits nicely. I think I like the but it's got a little grip texture here on the bottom and on the trigger, so that, man, it definitely, that feels great. It's a little small for me, but I mean, it still feels great. It's still no problem. And of course now the D-pad, they went to the rolling D-pad. Sorry, make that a little easier. Hopefully that gets focused in. It's got the textured grips on the sides. Very nice. Of course, the bottom here, this is textured. If you're a gun guy, it's kind of like getting stippling on your gun. But yeah, it's real nice. I've got the Sonic Blue one on order. Black and blue are my two favorite colors, so I had to get one of each. So there's that. Of course, whatever paperwork you want to look at. Don't need that. All right, let's pull this girl out. Look at all that, man. That's beautiful. Oh, it's packaged. Nice. All right, of course, power your dreams. Don't need any of that. Now I should probably just rip this open. I'm definitely not going to do anything with it. Woo! Ooh, that's a big fan on the top there. All right, so there she is. Literally an Xbox. Or an X cube. Well, it's not a cube. Cubes are equidistant. Of course, that's how it'll stand up. There you go. That green, it's cool. Like, you have to move to see it. It's not, if you look directly overhead, it's black. Move to the side, you can kind of make out the green. So that's pretty cool little detail there. Now, of course, it's got the little feet here on the side. So if you need to lay it sideways, which is probably how I'm going to end up doing it, lays sideways nicely. Got the Xbox logo. Of course, where your Blu-rays go. I guess it's for your external port. I'm not super techie, so I've got to learn all this stuff. All right, on the back here. Of course, you've got your storage expansion, your HDMI out, your power plug, your Ethernet, and of course your USBs. All back there, Xbox Series X. I'm sure y'all have seen all this, so you know. It's just fun to unbox it. So there that is. Let's see here, more paperwork. Download the app. And that's cool too, so you'll be able to download the app onto your Apple device as well as Android. Android gets everything. So it's cool to see they're getting set up with Apple. And I believe if you get the Game Pass, you can play them on your Apple and stuff with your phone. Glad they're bringing Apple on. Of course, I'm an Apple guy. I have iPhones and all that stuff. Of course, now the controller's going to take 2 AA batteries. Compared to the PS5, you know, it has the rechargeable battery. The cool thing about the controller is, with this one, is you can buy a rechargeable battery separate. Of course, it's extra money, I get that. But that way you can charge it and have it charged all the time to go. But if for some reason your kid, somebody just sets their remote down and it dies, and you want to play right now and you don't want to wait for it to charge, you can pull the external battery, or the rechargeable battery out, let it charge, throw some AA's in, and you're back to gaming. If that happens on the PS5 controller, you just have to wait till it charges, or hope you have another remote or other batteries or whatever, which, I mean, you might, but I mean, it's a simplicity thing that if your battery goes dead, you can throw some AA's in there and you're ready to game. Especially if you're like me, you don't have a lot of time to go play and all that stuff. It's good. When you get that moment, you don't want to wait for batteries. Let's see, is that everything in here? That looks like it's everything in here. So, pretty awesome. Love the way they box it. Love the way tech companies box all of their stuff up. Of course, so you get the Xbox, power cable, and it looks like I'd be missing a brick, though. Maybe it's down in here. Let's see. Maybe not. I don't know. No, that plugs right in. I'm used to there being a brick on there. See, that's how behind times I am. So that, of course, plugs in there. So you get your power cable, your 2.1 HDMI cable, a remote, and the Xbox. Beautiful. Love the remote. So y'all stay tuned. That's the unboxing of it. Absolutely love it. Really hope I can get an Xbox One S or a PS5 and compare them in time. But of course, everybody's sold out of everything right now, even though they came into stores. They're all gone again, of course. Maybe later this year and the next year we can get our hands on one. But I'm going to get some video of playing this game. I've got a 4K TV. It's not 120 frames per second or 120 hertz and all that junk. That's coming. I was going to get the Nano. But after seeing the OLED, I'm like, nope, let's save some more money and get the OLED. So buy once, cry once, wait on it. Don't spend $1,000 and then spend $2,000 in a month because it's not what I want, right? Save your money, get what you want the first time, and you'll be happier even if you have to wait a little longer. But there it is, guys. Xbox, like I said, I'm sorry. I'm going to shoot some game. Like I said, 4K TV, got a 4K cable and everything, so we'll run this through it, maybe capture some gaming footage if I can get all of the little stuff to work. Of course, I don't have any Xbox games. I'll have to use Game Pass or whatever. And try it out and get some film of it, let you know how I like it. But there it is, guys. Controller, Xbox, power cable, 2.1 HDMI cable. So if you have the TV for it, they come with it. You don't have to buy an extra cable. There it is, guys. Xbox, stay tuned for more. Go ahead, click subscribe. Bring this stuff to you. Retro gaming, smart home tech, other tech, whatever. We'll catch you on the next one. Out.